Hey, what's up? This is Marcellus on Marcellus King Media, and this is just a quick video on how to replace your strap, your stock strap, I should say, not jock strap, stock strap, with a better headset piece for your Oculus Rift. This is for a specific piece. Let me go ahead and show you which one I got here. This is the one off of Amazon, the adjustable head strap for Oculus Quest. So it's not the official one, but it's much cheaper, and a lot of you people might have bought this one, and we'll see how it works. It seems, fairly simple, but the directions actually weren't really, too great. So I went ahead and figured it out. Figured I'd make a quick tutorial video. So here we go. Let's get started. The first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and take off the existing pieces, and you're going to need to take off this part first. You just clip that right, pull that right on out, and then comes these parts right here, these two straps. A lot of you may think that you want to pull it by these parts right here. You actually don't. What you actually want to do is right inside here. Let's move that strap out of the way so the camera can see it. So right here, you want to just press right on this area right here and just kind of pull that back just like that. Do the same thing for the other side. There you go. Take this strap, undo the Velcro, just like that, and you're done with the old piece. Now, set that right there. Here's the new one. It's going to come in like 5 pieces here, and you got the head piece right there, and the instructions were around here somewhere. I don't remember where I put them, but they weren't really great, which is why I wanted to make this video. So, to get started, these are labeled. We got a little L for left and a little R for right. So, and then if you can't tell, you can always go by the top strap, since this will also always be on the top. So, what I've kind of found, it's just a little bit easier to put these together and assemble them with this, and then attach it to the main piece. So as you can see, you get a little R on there, and you also have an R right here. And what I like to do to make this easier here, and again, I just want to match up here, I think this is the easiest way to do it. Is just throw it in there just like that, and then just snap that piece right on top. And it's a little tricky. I found kind of a little bit easier if you snap the top piece in first, and then you can get that little side piece in there. There's 2 little clips, and you can kind of use something small. Let me see if I got something small around here to kind of get that in there. Yeah, just kind of push that little latch down and kind of bending it out a little bit here. So, matter of fact, let's back out real quick here. Let's try to get these in first. There we go. So yeah, if it doesn't want to immediately go in, just kind of back it out and repeat. So, all right. And then we want to do the same thing with this one for the left piece. Again, just make sure that that is in there just like that. And these little clips, since this top, I'm move the mic down a little bit here so you guys can hear me better. So since this little top piece, or this piece seems to come out just a little bit more, I think maybe it might be better to get that one in first. You kind of have to hold this back piece in place. Snap it in, and then just snap that down. That part is ready to go. And this is the easy part. Well, it's easy to snap in there. They're kind of, you'll worry about breaking it when you're trying to pull it apart. But just kind of angle it back there a little bit here and snap it in. It might take a few tries. it's a pretty firm fit, and you're kind of worried about breaking it here. I'm trying to do it without touching my lens. There we go. And do the same thing with the other side. And I figure it's kind of easier just to insert that back piece in there just like that. I mean, kind of angle that up so you can see that, kind of angle it in there, and then kind of squeeze it in from there. And then get the strap in. And we can always adjust that, but we'll just keep it loose for right now. And then we will put our headpiece back in. Or our face piece, I should say. I'm sorry. And it should just kind of snap in there. Sometimes it takes a little fandangling to get it right there on the right part there. Should snap right on in. And you're good to go. So, haven't really tried it out yet, but you basically just loosen it up just like that. And let's see if it'll fit on my head. All right. So, I got a pretty big noggin, but hey, it's a lot of room. I like it already. And just kind of tighten it up. Yeah, it's good. And I can hold my head down, and it's pretty firm. I really like that. Much better, much better fit. So, and it just comes right off. I didn't have to unloosen it. So, I'm happy with it so far. We'll see how it goes. But hey, there's the basic tutorial on just how to replace it. So, hopefully that helps. Peace.